Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix software update stuck in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your software update has been stuck, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can also try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go ahead to your settings, go to device care, and make sure that you have enough storage in your phone, almost 15 to 20 GB free in your internal storage to download and install any software update on your phone. Now, once you have done, you have to go back and you have to relaunch your settings app, go to software update, and make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you might get any pending software update, just have to update your software. You can also click on these three dots, click on software informations, and here you will see your phone's software informations which you have installed on your phone. You can also get your last update here, that when you have made your last update on your phone. So once you have done, if you are still facing the same issue that your software update is still sticking on that screen, or the software update is still not completing, so you just have to make a force restart with your phone. So basically the force restart will delete and cut your previous software update. So after force restart, you can set a fresh new software update in your phone. Now to do this, you have to press and hold your volume down and power button at the same time for almost 5 to 15 seconds. You'll get a black screen, and then you have to wait for Samsung logo and then release the button. Now try this. Press and hold volume down and power button at the same time for almost 5 to 15 seconds here. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo. And here, once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a force restart with your phone. It might take more time than usual. So once you have restarted your phone, after restarting, you have to retry, and this time you will not get any stucking error in your software update. Your update will be successfully completed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.